Happy Friday everyone, and welcome to another episode of Free For All Friday. So recently on the channel I picked up the new DJI Mavic Pro and I shared my first impressions of the drone. If you want to check that video out, the link will be up here or down below in the description. I also made a video about 4 accessories that were all $15 or less that I thought were necessary for the drone. I'll put the link up here or down below in the description as well. So for today's episode, seeing how this past week marked 1 month of owning the Mavic, and on Monday's episode of My Tech Monday I plan on doing a 1 month review of the drone, I thought I would share with you some footage that I took this past weekend when we went out during a high wind advisory that was in the area, which basically meant that wind gusts could exceed 40 miles an hour. The DJI Phantom 3, which was the drone that I owned before this, had never gone out in wind speeds of more than 25 to 30 miles an hour, and seeing how the Mavic is a lot more aerodynamic than the Phantom, I thought that it would be a perfect time to give it a try. So without further ado, here is the test footage from that flight. The Mavic got the warning for high wind velocity about 1 minute into the flight, so let me know what your impressions of the footage are by commenting down below, and if you do think it looks good, give this video a thumbs up. I will see everybody tomorrow for Story Saturday. Peace.